Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Learning Podcast. I'm your host, Jason, and I'm really excited to have you here today.
Hi everyone, I'm Julia, and as always, we're so happy you're joining us. Whether you're listening at home, walking outside, or relaxing, thank you for spending your time with us.
Absolutely. And today, we have a very powerful and practical topic for you, especially if you're a beginner trying to improve your English speaking skills.
Yes. Today we're going to talk about the shadowing technique, one of the best and most effective ways to improve your pronunciation, listening, and speaking at the same time.
That's right. Many English learners struggle with speaking confidently, and sometimes they don't know how to practice speaking alone. But don't worry, this technique can really help you.
And the best part is, you don't need a partner. You can practice anytime, anywhere, just by using your phone or listening to simple English audio.
In this episode, we'll explain what shadowing is, why it works, and how you can start using it step by step, even if you're a complete beginner.
We'll also share simple tips, common mistakes to avoid, and a daily routine you can follow to improve faster.
So if you want to speak English more naturally and confidently, stay with us until the end of this episode.
Let's get started.
All right, let's start with the basics. What exactly is the shadowing technique?
Great question. The shadowing technique is a simple but powerful way to practice English. It means listening to a native speaker and repeating what they say at the same time, or just a second behind.
So, instead of listening first and then repeating later, you try to speak together with the audio, like a shadow following someone.
Exactly. That's why it's called shadowing. You follow the speaker very closely, almost like you're copying their voice, rhythm, and pronunciation in real time.
Let's give a quick example. Imagine you hear a sentence like, "I'm going to the store." With shadowing, you don't wait. You immediately say, "I'm going to the store," along with the speaker.
Yes, at first it might feel a little difficult or fast, and that's completely normal. You don't need to be perfect. The goal is to train your ears and your mouth to work together.
That's an important point. Shadowing is not just about speaking. It also improves your listening because you have to focus very carefully on every word and sound.
And another difference is that in normal listening practice, you just listen and understand. But in shadowing, you are active. You listen and speak at the same time.
Right? It's like a workout for your brain and your speaking muscles.
So, to keep it simple, shadowing means listening to English and repeating it immediately, trying to match the speaker's speed, pronunciation, and tone.
And don't worry if you miss some words in the beginning. With practice, you'll get better and more confident every day.
Exactly. Just relax, enjoy the process, and remember, it's okay to make mistakes while learning.
Now that we understand what shadowing is, let's talk about why it's so powerful for English learners.
Yes. Honestly, this technique is like a shortcut for improving multiple skills at the same time.
Exactly. First, shadowing really helps improve your pronunciation. When you repeat after native speakers, you naturally learn how words are pronounced correctly.
And not just pronunciation, you also learn intonation and rhythm, which means how English sounds in real conversations. This helps you sound more natural, not like a robot.
That's very important. Many learners know vocabulary and grammar, but they still sound unnatural. Shadowing helps fix that.
Another big benefit is listening skills. When you do shadowing, you must listen very carefully to every word, every sound, and every sentence.
Right. Over time, your ears become stronger. You start understanding English faster, even when people speak quickly.
And let's talk about something many learners struggle with: confidence.
Yes, Shadowing builds confidence because you are speaking out loud again and again. You get used to hearing your own voice in English.
At first, you might feel shy or uncomfortable, but after a few days, you'll feel more confident and relaxed when speaking.
Another powerful benefit is that shadowing helps you think in English.
That's a big one. Instead of translating from your native language, your brain starts to respond directly in English.
And finally, shadowing helps you speak more fluently. Because you practice speaking continuously, your mouth becomes faster and smoother.
So, to summarize, shadowing improves your pronunciation, listening, confidence, fluency, and even your thinking in English.
That's why it's such a powerful technique, especially for beginners.
Exactly. If you practice it daily, even for a short time, you'll start seeing real progress.
All right, now it's time for the most important part. How can you actually practice shadowing step by step?
Yes, don't worry. We're going to make this very simple and beginner-friendly so you can start today.
Step 1. Choose the right audio. This is very important. You should start with easy and clear English, not something too fast or difficult.
Exactly. If the audio is too hard, you'll feel frustrated and confused. Choose short sentences, simple conversations, or beginner-level podcasts.
For example, short dialogues or slow English videos are perfect for beginners.
Step 2. Listen first and understand. Before you start shadowing, just listen to the audio 1 or 2 times.
Yes, focus on the meaning. Try to understand what the speaker is saying. You don't need to understand every word, but you should get the general idea.
This step helps your brain prepare before speaking.
Step 3. Start shadowing slowly. Now it's time to speak. Play the audio again and try to repeat what you hear at the same time.
If it feels too fast, that's okay. You can pause after each sentence or use slower playback speed.
Yes, you can start a little behind the speaker, maybe 1 second later, and that's perfectly fine.
Step 4. Repeat multiple times. Don't just do it once and stop. Repeat the same audio several times.
Repetition is the key here. The more you repeat, the more natural it becomes.
You'll notice that each time your pronunciation gets better and you feel more comfortable.
Step 5. Practice daily. Consistency is more important than long practice.
Even 10 to 15 minutes every day can make a big difference.
Yes, it's better to practice a little every day than to practice a lot once a week.
Let's give a simple example of a daily practice. You choose a short audio, listen to it, and then shadow it 3 to 5 times.
After a few days, you'll see improvement in your speaking and listening skills.
And remember, you don't need to be perfect.
Yes, making mistakes is part of learning. Just keep going and enjoy the process.
The more you practice, the easier and more natural it will become.
Now, let's talk about something very important. What are the best materials you can use for shadowing?
Yes, choosing the right material can make your practice easy and enjoyable, or very difficult.
First, one of the best materials is simple English podcasts, just like the one you're listening to right now.
Exactly. Podcasts made for beginners usually have slow, clear speech, which is perfect for shadowing.
You can pause, repeat, and practice anytime, anywhere.
Second, YouTube videos are also excellent.
Yes, there are many channels where people speak slowly and clearly, and some videos even have subtitles.
That's very helpful because you can listen, read, and repeat at the same time.
Another great option is short conversations or dialogues.
These are perfect for beginners because they use real-life situations, like greetings, shopping, or asking for directions.
Short dialogues are easier to repeat and remember.
You can also use movies or TV shows, but choose simple ones.
Right. Start with short clips, not full movies. Focus on clear and slow scenes.
And don't forget about audiobooks for beginners.
Yes, audiobooks often have clear pronunciation and a steady speed, which makes them great for shadowing.
So, to keep it simple, you can use podcasts, YouTube videos, short dialogues, movies, or audiobooks.
The most important thing is to choose material that is easy, clear, and interesting for you.
Because when you enjoy the content, you will practice more, and that's how you improve faster.
Now, let's talk about some common mistakes that many beginners make when practicing shadowing.
Yes, and if you can avoid these mistakes, your progress will be much faster and easier.
Mistake number 1. Choosing difficult material. Many learners try to use fast or advanced English.
That's a big problem. If you don't understand the audio, you can't shadow it properly. Always start with easy and clear content. Mistake number 2. Trying to be perfect.
Yes, some learners stop because they think their pronunciation is not perfect.
But remember, shadowing is practice, not a test. It's okay to make mistakes.
Mistake number 3. Not practicing regularly.
Consistency is the key. If you practice one day and then stop for a week, you won't improve much.
Even a few minutes every day is much better than long, irregular practice.
Mistake number 4, speaking too fast too early.
That's right. Many learners try to match native speed immediately.
Instead, start slowly. You can use slower audio or pause after sentences.
Mistake number 5. Giving up too soon.
Yes, shadowing can feel difficult at the beginning.
But that's normal. Your brain is learning something new.
If you continue practicing, it will become easier and more natural.
So remember, choose easy content. Don't worry about perfection. Practice regularly. Go step by step and don't give up.
Exactly. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll see real improvement in your English.
Now let's make things really practical. How can you use shadowing every day in a simple way?
Yes, many learners ask, how long should I practice? The good news is, you don't need hours. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day is enough.
Let's break it into a simple daily routine.
Step 1. Listen for 2 to 3 minutes. Choose a short audio and just listen carefully.
Focus on understanding the meaning. Relax and don't worry about speaking yet.
Step 2. Shadow for 5 minutes. Now play the audio again and start repeating with the speaker.
Try to follow the pronunciation and rhythm. It's okay if you're a little behind.
Step 3. Repeat and improve for 5 to 7 minutes.
Yes, repeat the same audio again and again.
Each time, try to sound a little better, clearer and more natural.
That's it. A simple routine. Listen, shadow, and repeat.
You can do this in the morning, during a break, or before going to bed.
And here's a small tip. Don't change your audio every day.
Yes, use the same audio for a few days until you feel comfortable.
Also, try to speak out loud, not in your mind.
That's very important. Your mouth needs practice, not just your brain.
If you follow this routine daily, you'll slowly become more confident and fluent.
Just stay consistent, and you'll see great results over time.
Now, let's take a moment to talk about motivation. Shadowing can feel challenging at first, especially for beginners.
Yes, many learners feel shy or frustrated when they don't get it right immediately, but that's completely normal.
Remember, every expert started as a beginner. Even just a few minutes of shadowing every day adds up over time.
Exactly. Progress might feel slow at first, but don't compare yourself to others. Focus on your own journey and celebrate small improvements.
Another tip: make it fun. Choose audio that interests you, like a favorite story, song, or dialogue. When you enjoy it, practice feels easier.
And don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are a sign that your brain is learning.
The most important thing is to keep going consistently. Even a short daily practice can lead to big results in just a few weeks.
So, stay positive, be patient with yourself, and enjoy the process. You are improving every day, even if it doesn't feel like it.
All right, let's quickly summarize what we've learned today about the shadowing technique.
Yes, shadowing is a simple but powerful method where you listen and repeat immediately, helping you improve pronunciation, listening, fluency, and confidence.
We also talked about choosing the right material, practicing step by step, and avoiding common mistakes like rushing or skipping practice.
And we shared a simple daily routine. Listen, shadow, and repeat for just 10 to 15 minutes a day.
Finally, remember that progress takes time. Consistency and patience are your best friends.
So keep practicing, enjoy the process, and don't give up. You'll start noticing improvements sooner than you think.
Before we finish today's episode, we have a quick call to action for all our listeners.
Yes, start practicing shadowing today. Pick a short audio, follow our steps, and try your first shadowing session.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new lesson.
And leave a comment below to tell us about your shadowing experience or any questions you have. We love hearing from you.
Also, share this episode with your friends who are learning English. They'll thank you later.
Thank you so much for listening, and remember, practice a little every day and you'll see amazing results.
See you in the next episode. Happy shadowing!
Bye everyone, keep learning and speaking English confidently.